This Select Realty property video is presented by Brenda Peoples. Beautiful gem in the city. Designed to be pest-proof yet very comfortable. Elevated concrete slab with concrete piers and crawl space. All outside walls are concrete blocks and inside walls are steel half studs. All drywall was replaced in 2008. Ceiling is reinforced concrete. The only wood framing is in the attic. Hardwood floors with vinyl in the bathroom and kitchen. Kitchen has nice pantry with metal pull-out drawers on the bottom for easy access. Extras include cedar closets and screened-in porch. Roomy Attic has pull-down ladder and zipper insulator cover at attic entry. Tankless Water Heater installed in 2019. New AC in 2008. This house is highly prized for its beauty, stability and condition. Only 2 families have ever lived in this home. For years the same several pairs of purple martins have come back and raised new baby birds and eat mosquitoes. All the martin houses and barns are ready to be installed in the spring for the end of their migration from Gulf Shore lands and Central and South America back to this wonderful property. Feeders for them are all here as well. Ready for you to move into and begin living. Don't let this treasure of a house and surroundings slip through your hands. For more information, review the details below or contact Brenda Peoples at 479-394-7676.